Hi guys, good afternoon. Today is 17th of July 2017 and today I started my 6th webinar and many of the members have joined and people have joined from all over the world. You know, कोई हैदराबाद से, कोई पुणे से है, कोई बैंगलोर से है, कोई कुवैत से है. There are many people who have joined from Middle East also. And it's a good, I really look forward to be with you all and really share whatever I know. And the things that I teach is a complete setup. You know, how do you filter out the stock? How do you enter and how do you exit? Everything is taken care over there. Okay. So in case anybody is still keen to join, they can join today because after today it'll be too late. So please make up your mind. That choice you can make. And then let's start. You know, like I was just looking outside my window where I sit is, right next to that I have a window which gives me the clear picture of entire Gurgaon. And it looks so pleasant outside. And I was saying that Nifty is also really thoroughly enjoying its bull run that's going on. And see how nicely it has been just having every day. It is having a gap up opening every single day for the last 3-4 days. Once this is the gap up opening, then again gap up opening, then again gap up opening every single day. You know, it is being supported by international, like even this day also, somewhere here also, 11th also it had a gap up opening. Every single day Nifty's having a gap up opening. So see here, it's from here you can have a much more clearer picture. So let me just remove all the drawings and see here, every single day from starting from here is jagah se, starting from 7th of July, every single day it has gap up opening, right? So gap up, then gap up, then gap up, then gap up, every single day the gap up opening. And gap up opening comes from, you know, international scenario, and it comes from the trust in Indian economy. And you can see the space absolutely dominated by green candles. This is one day, means there has been just buying that is happening from FII, DII, and even though, you know, retail clients also are in the buy zone. Right? And now let's come to 15 minutes and analyze what do we expect today. So as usual, we'll go to the, you know, pivot points and see what's happening, because pivot points give us a good and clear idea about its stance. So the Nifty opened above, you know, this pivot point, which you can see as the black level. And how, I am sure you all know how the pivot points are calculated. Otherwise, you can, you know, Google the net and find out. It's basically the previous day high, low, and close, average of all those. So basically, it's midpoint of the previous day. So it depends upon the previous day. And then you have you know, let me make it a little smaller. The first level is R1, then R2, then R3. And similarly, when you go down, it is S1, S2, S3. Right? So ऊपर की तरफ आप जाओगे तो आपको सब रेजिस्टेंसेस मिलेंगे, नीचे की तरफ आप आओगे तो आपको सपोर्ट्स मिलेंगे. सो द परसेप्शन इज, अगर निफ्टी पिवट पॉइंट के ऊपर खुलती है तो इसका पॉजिटिव स्टैंस है. सो इट ओपन ओवर हियर. उसके बाद एक ही बड़ी सी कैंडल लगी, बट बुल्स हैव पुल्ड इट बैक अगेन एंड अगेन. नाउ इट्स होवरिंग एट R1. ठीक है, थोड़ा मुझे लगता है कि इसको अब थोड़ा सा, बिकॉज सी आई बिलीव until I think European markets open and have a positive stance, Nifty also, I mean, अभी तो बहुत indecisive mode में है. If I take you to my setup, which is basically moving averages, that gives me a better clear picture. So if you look into it, you know, I mean, if I look into technicals, I'm not getting a clear picture at all. I mean, everything about Nifty right now looks very indecisive. See, MACD क्रॉस हो गया, बट कहाँ पे, like it's very at very lower level only it has crossed from top to bottom. MACD, RSI is taking a support, right? All of them are in the opposite direction. RSI is taking a support from 60 and going up. Candles, no clarity, right? So I would say if I have to put a percentage to the stance of Nifty, I'll give about 75% to going up and 25% of it to going down. That is what I will say. But let's see, because see, you never know when the market sentiments change. No one can say. So you know what I've been observing for so many days, at least last 3 days, it opens gap up and then it remains flat, then it opens gap up and then it remains flat, it opens, आज भी वही है, gap up opening हुई but उसके बाद ये flat चली जा रही है, ठीक है. So अगर Nifty next few candles are formed above 10 moving average, then surely I think it will give more value to the RSI and the stocks will go up, and the Nifty will go up. But अगर suppose next few candles, अभी 2-3 candles के बाद ये ऐसे करके नीचे आ जाता है, ये जो 10 मूविंग एवरेज है ऐसे करके नीचे आ जाता है और कैंडल्स को छोड़ देती हैं, then I'm sure RSI will also take a turn and Nifty will go down. These are the only two scenarios that are there. Okay, so we have to watch out for a few more candles. But as far as stocks are concerned, जो जिस डायरेक्शन में है वो उस डायरेक्शन में चलता रहेगा. Like I was telling my webinar members also कि हमारे तो 2 stocks थे and they have done us good to us. We bought Kotak Mahindra Bank based on our analysis on Friday. So this is what the run up it has given, and the next stock that we found was VEDL, Vedanta. So this is what it has done to us. This has also given an excellent return to us. So these were the 2 stocks that we worked in, and although Nifty doesn't show much movement, it's just about say in a range of 20 points, but these stocks have done well. Okay, so anyway, this is how we decipher our stocks. A day in advance, we know everything, what will happen, what may not happen, and based on that we create our positions. Fine. It's quite a I mean, we've kind of cracked the code of finding out good stocks. But today what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you 2 stocks. Okay, 2 stocks for positional trading. The one of them is Talwalkar. This is Talwalkar, and I hope you all know they are into gymming equipments, right? So this is the graph. This is how beautiful the graph is. It's taken a support over here. Had we created a position at about 264, I think it would have been really the most wonderful time, but हमने नहीं create किया तो कोई बात नहीं है. अभी हम इसको wait करते हैं. Another week आप इसको अपने रडार पे रखिए. Let it come down further. Let it come down to at this point. यहाँ पे आने देते हैं कहीं पे 290 के करीब. इसमें एक और बहुत अच्छा सा एक पोजीशन क्रिएट होगा. और जो दूसरा स्टॉक मैंने आपके लिए निकाला है वो भी हमने कल वेबिनार मेंबर्स ने मिलकर निकाला है. Rather one member has found it. This is IMFA, right? IMFA. This stock, let me just show you here. This is Indian Metals and Ferroalloys. Yeah, this is one stock that we have found, which you can keep on your radar. 10 moving average is just about to cross 200 moving average. See, for days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 days, it's just over here, hovering at this point. Until it convincingly goes up, it crosses 560, 562. We don't have to create a position. We will wait for it to cross 562, up se kareeb 20 points ऊपर, and then what can we expect? Just see here. This is how beautifully it has given a run up earlier. Now it is on a correction mode के बाद थोड़ा सा modify होके ऊपर आ रहा है, और उसके बाद अगर हम 580, 560 के ऊपर खरीदते हैं तो ये हमको 803 तो नहीं, चलो पहले फर्स्ट टारगेट लेते हैं. पहला फर्स्ट टारगेट हमारा आएगा 650 का, 646 का टारगेट आएगा. फिर उसके बाद नेक्स्ट टारगेट आएगा 816 का, राइट? सो दीज आर गोना बी आवर टारगेट्स इन IMFA. अब दोनों वन बाय वन मैं आपको इनकी बैलेंस शीट्स दिखाती हूँ. सो द फर्स्ट वन इज Talwalkar, and market cap is 926. They are into gymming equipments, and current price is 311. Stock PE is 14.91, reasonable. Book value is 159. Then this is the graph, which I really don't feel very attractive, but if I look into about last 1.5 year, 1 year or so, it looks fine to me. If I forget this, the up movement and then downfall, from here I find it's pretty okay. So the pros are company has good consistent profit growth, 28.21% over 5 years, and promoters stake has decreased, that it's gone, and company might be capitalizing the interest costs. Fine. And in its peer group, it is ranked at 1. You can see the ranking here. Its P value is also very, very reasonable. Market cap, dividend yield, all parameters are good. Look into its, quarterly sales. from 2014, 38 crores से it has become 80 crores in March 2017, roughly about in 3 years. Operating profit 16-17 crores से हो गए 57.84 crores. Profit before tax 4.31 से has almost become 10 times. Profits have become 10 times in 3 years, which is a very good growth. And net profit 3, or roughly, let's say if we take it 4 and we take it about 23, so about 6 times the net profit has also grown up. Fine. Then sales have shown a very huge growth. So it started from 2009. You can see the growth in it to 57 crores. Operating profits have grown up. So this looks good to me, right? But I'm not saying that you buy it today. You have to wait for it to give you a right entry point. IMFA. So the next one is IMFA. Let's see what's happening in IMFA. So this is IMFA, and this company has touched the recent lows and then bouncing back. I can say this is a reversal company, right? It's a turnaround company. So if it is so, it'll be really a good opportunity to enter the trade. Company is expected to give good quarter. Company has good consistent profit growth. But the cons are it has delivered poor growth. Fine, because it was now turnaround company. So entry in this will create good value. Now let's see its peer companies. Vedanta, JSW Steel, all that. Tata Metallica and Indian Metals over here, which is valued at 538. And P is 5.8. In its peer group, its P is the least. Market cap is huge, not less at all. Right? Let's see what's happening in their sales. Sales have increased from 301 crore to 588 crores. Operating profits have gone up from 58 crores to 273 crores. And the net profit have gone up from 2 crores to 174 crores. How many huge times? In 3 years it has gone up about 80 times higher, right? Which is a good, excellent growth. Then sales, you can say 264, so it has become 1672 crores. And dividend payout is also very, very good, right? So this is, like you can see negative, 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 negative. Now net cash flow has become positive. So this company, which is IMFA, looks very good to me. So these I have showed you with respect to the graph also. Wait for a few days. When it convincingly go up above 560, closes above that, we will find an entry point at that place. Fine. So guys, enjoy your trading. Combine it, with good technical analysis. Your confidence level will be different and you will be able to create good, trades. So, what I really believe personally, that your life state reflects in your trading. Means if you have fears, doubts, anxiety, any of that, वो reflect करेगी आपके trading के pattern पे. If you have confidence, if you have conviction, if you have clarity, वो आपके trading पे reflect करेगी. तो I would suggest कि rather than कि आप मतलब बैठ के प्रे करो कि अब मार्केट ऊपर चला गया, हे भगवान नीचे आ जाए, मैंने तो शॉर्ट का ट्रेड किया हुआ है, या अब मार्केट नीचे चला गया, हे भगवान ऊपर आ जाए क्योंकि मैंने तो लॉन्ग का ट्रेड किया हुआ है. उससे बेहतर है आप एक क्लियर, एक होती है प्रोबेबिलिटी 1. प्रोबेबिलिटी 1 मीन्स एब्सोल्यूट क्लैरिटी. आप उसके साथ ट्रेड करोगे. अगर चलो 1 is too huge फॉर स्टॉक मार्केट, मेक इट अबाउट 8.8 मीन्स 80% एक्यूरेसी के भी साथ काम करोगे ना, तो आप I would say rather कि 50% के ऊपर कहीं भी काम करोगे. 55%, 60% और 70% accuracy is very, very good. So we actually come down to that. I have shown you 2 trades that we have done today. We have done VEDL, we have done Kotak Mahindra Bank, and I'm expecting you all to trust me. And because I will not speak about it if I have not done it. Okay, so this is what it is. That's the power of you doing the technical analysis. And let's look into the Nifty. अब मुझे थोड़ा सा लगता है कि इसको ऊपर जाने का कुछ मोमेंट बन रहा है. अगर few candles are formed above, it may go up. ठीक है? Good day guys. See you tomorrow. Enjoy lovely weather and do your trades correctly. Bye bye.